Hi,
Hello, everyone.
hi everyone.
Welcome to A Piece of Life powered by Brain to Body Revolution. Today, I, Supriya Naira, with my lovely friend, lovely partner, Soumya, welcome each and every one of you in today's exciting another new day. So, Soumya, excited today?
Super duper excited, and I know you behind the scenes. You told me this is something that we have talked on, so I'm really racking my brain as to what it is.
What
So
it
yeah.
is, yeah. Yeah. So, Soumya, you have Dr. Joseph Murphy had some like many a times he has told us about the heterosuggestion thing that we are heterosuggesting of every time to our people, our children, the tribes and our spouses and every time we are saying something, our beliefs are coming true in their life. Is it?
Okay. So heteros. Can do you want to say what heterosuggestion is?
Yeah,
So that yeah.
heterosuggestion is something that you believe for someone else. If you believe for someone that someone is very intelligent, he's great, he's doing great in his life, he's a wonderful sports person, and now his memory power is very sharp, then that is a heterosuggestion, which is a positive one.
Hmm.
And your belief will make that person actually that. Like, he will be with the passage of time, he will become like that. But instead of that, if your belief is my child is a dumb person, he doesn't understand mathematics, my spouse is absolutely untrustworthy, is
Hmm.
dishonest, whatever. So
Hmm.
all these beliefs are making them actually reciprocate to those feelings, right? They will definitely become like that.
So they're
So
not like that, but
they are
because
not
the
like that.
suggestion is coming like that, they are becoming like that. That's what you're trying to kind
Yeah.
of get at. Okay, okay,
So
got it.
our belief is shaping their personality.
Okay, okay. Now it makes sense. Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. So there is a lovely term which might seem, complex to someone, but we have to understand the meaning of it. It is called as Pygmalion effect.
Pygmalion. Oh,
Yes.
this
You
is
remember?
such a
You
cute
remember?
name.
Once
Yeah,
we were discussing something and this Pygmalion effect, I just, out of nowhere, I just said this is Pygmalion effect, Soumya, but we
yeah,
never went
yeah,
closer to that topic. So
yeah.
that's why I thought, ki, chalo, let us bring that topic today. So, Soumya,
Pygmalion. Can you spell
yeah.
it out for us?
Yeah, it's
Pyg ma
Pygmalion.
Malion.
Hmm.
Pygmalion effect. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
Pygmalion effect.
Okay. Hmm.
So, if there is something that you believe in your child, yeah, that your child is doing something, maybe he's not doing great in his exams. And you keep on saying the truth that he is not doing great, पता नहीं क्या करेगा, पढ़ता तो है नहीं, तो क्या होगा ना, the child actually receives all those things. And how he gets that, it is by your vibrations. And there are certain things, certain brain chemistry of yours and his, which is actually connected. And because of that, the child definitely becomes like that. तो
Hmm.
ये बातें हम लोग बहुत बार अपने जो क्लाइंट्स हैं, हमारे जो पीपल हैं, उनको भी हम लोग बोलते हैं, इफ योर माइंड इज एक्चुअली मेकिंग यू सेम सर्टेन थिंग दैट योर फिजिकल रियलिटी मे बी समथिंग एल्स, बट इफ you go on saying something, giving your, you strengthen your belief on the negative part of it, then you become like that. If your belief is something which is a positive thing, then you
Hmm.
believe on that, whatever it is, positive or negative. Pygmalion term is actually given to the positive aspect of it.
Hmm.
Heterosuggestion can be positive or negative, but
Achha.
Pygmalion effect primarily and compactly it is given only the positive effect of the positive affirmation that you do.
Okay, so only the like feel good wale like things like
The
if
thing
I'm
you
going to
want to make it
compliment
happen.
if
Hmm.
I'm going to say, oh, you're looking super nice, like you have gotten great physique, you're looking beautiful, that is Pygmalion effect for you
Yes,
because you're going
yes,
to take it up and make your belief system on top of that, right?
yes.
Okay.
So this term Pygmalion has been taken from the Greek mythology. So there was a sculptor. तो वो
Ah.
जो स्कल्प्टर था, तो उसने ही एक्चुअली मेड अ स्कल्पचर, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वुमन उन्होंने बनाया. तो
Hmm.
एक्चुअली ही फेल इन लव विद दैट पर्सन, दैट पर्टिकुलर मूर्ति, so
Hmm.
much that he actually believed that she is alive.
Oh, wow.
And
What
actually
was he
she,
smoking?
yeah, she, it's like पहले के टाइम पे तो ऐसा होता था ना, whatever you believe now also Samya we believe that कुछ भी
Yeah,
हम सोचे वो हो सकता है. If you
correct.
believe that you can move a mountain, then also you can do that. That actually
Definitely.
depends upon your belief system. So that
Mm.
Pygmalion person was so much in love with that, and you would imagine that that person is talking, this Murti is coming and talking with him, he's going
Oh,
places
wow.
and all. So that particular Murti or that particular sculpture came into existence. Okay.
In
So,
real.
yeah, real.
Oh, wow.
So scientists, although it was a story or something like that, scientists might have heard about it. So in 1960, 65, something like that. So scientists picked this topic and they started this thing, applying this application, this experiment they did on the classroom. So
Hmm.
मैंने वैसे ही उन्होंने ना 5 बच्चों को पिक किया. पूरे
Hmm.
क्लास में से 5 बच्चों को पिक किया. उन्होंने टीचर को बोला कि ये 5 बच्चे हैं जो कि बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. यू हैव टू अप्लाई मोर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टू दीज किड्स. ऑल दोस किड्स आर नॉर्मल बच्चे हैं, उनको कुछ भी नहीं पता था, वो दे
Hmm.
वर जस्ट लाइक नॉर्मल. कुछ वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं था, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था उनको. बट
Hmm.
टीचर्स को ये बताया कि ये 5 बच्चे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, इस पर आपने ज्यादा ध्यान देना है.
Okay.
द
Huh.
ओरिजिन ऑफ द स्टोरी वॉज लाइक दैट. सो द
Hmm.
टीचर्स जो है ना, उनका ऑब्वियसली उनको यही लगा कि दे बिलीव दैट प्रिंसिपल ने जो बात बोली या फिर साइंटिस्ट ने जो बात बोली वो तो सही है. तो उनका ऑटोमेटिकली उनका बिहेवियर उन बच्चों के प्रति वैसा हो गया
Hmm.
कि भाई ज्यादा ध्यान देने लग पड़े उन बच्चों के ऊपर. तो
Hmm.
जब उन बच्चों के ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान गया तो बच्चे ऑटोमेटिकली they were getting those expectation from the teachers ना, कि my
Ah,
teacher is expecting this much from me and I have to do good, है ना, मुझे
yeah.
अच्छा करना पड़ेगा, maybe my teacher is watching me, I have to be attentive in the class. So by following that, those kids actually became very intelligent and they were
Oh.
amongst the toppers in the school.
Oh, wow. This makes a lot of sense. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
so this thing has happened only because of that कि उनके मन के अंदर ये feeling आया, but there was a science behind it.
Hmm. The
By
Pygmalion.
the frequent appreciations done by the teachers, they got their dopamine raised,
Hmm.
है ना?
Hmm.
And
Reward system. Hmm.
every day when the teachers were appreciating them, बेटा अच्छे, वाह तुमने इतना अच्छा काम किया, हाँ तुम्हारा ये गलत हुआ but we can do it like this, राइट. तो इस तरीके से जब उन्होंने ये सेंस किया टीचर्स हमें अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, ऐसे कर रहे हैं, तो उनका डोपामीन का लेवल वो हाई होता गया, उनको हैप्पीनेस मिलता गया. एप्रिसिएशन ऑलवेज ब्रिंग्स हैप्पीनेस इन योर लाइफ ना. यू
Hmm.
लव टू बी अप्रिशिएटेड, यू लव टू बी अवॉर्डेड, टू बी
Correct.
रिसीविंग एक्कोलेज एंड ऑल. सो द किड्स दे गॉट वेरी हैप्पी. और रिपीटेडली करते करते क्या हुआ ना, उनके सेरोटोनिन लेवल तो हाई होने लग पड़े.
Oh, wow.
तो
Hmm.
देयर वाज नो टेंशन, मैथमेटिक्स का पेपर है उनका, लेकिन वो बिलीफ सिस्टम उसका ऐसा हो गया कि वो अपने आप ही प्रिपेयर अच्छे से करने लग पड़े. तो स्ट्रेस लेवल गॉन डाउन.
Is emphasizing, projecting her belief onto him or her that, oh, he's a smart kid. He's a smart kid. He can solve this problem. He can solve this problem. That also is triggering. Yeah.
Yeah, that also is triggering, and because of that, they actually caught that. And
Hmm.
Soumya, remember in one of the talks we were discussing about the mirroring of neurons.
Mirroring of neurons. Yeah.
So this is why we tell ना कि we just caught that person's vibrations. उसके
Hmm.
vibrations बहुत अच्छे हैं. वो कैसे होता है? वो हम हवा में नहीं बोलते हैं. वो हमारे neurons कुछ ऐसे होते हैं which are actually mirror neurons.
Yeah.
So सौम्या जो बोलेगी मैं उसको सेंस कर लूंगी बिकॉज
Hmm.
मैं सेंस कर रही हूँ अपने मिरर न्यूरॉन्स के माध्यम से.
हाँ.
Right? So you are believing me that this Supriya, you are going to do excellent. This podcast is going to be, watched by millions of people. Then I believe it, and my brains are catching those things, and
Yes.
I will reciprocate accordingly.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So this is Pygmalion effect.
Wow. Yeah, this makes a lot of sense. And we have to ask that guy, the guy who sculpted that, what was he, into? So we get some of it.
Right. And we can actually, the same technique can be applied to anyone and everyone. Just suppose that, among yesterday we were discussing about your spouse thing, है ना, कि हम लोगों के बीच में भी कुछ बात ऐसे हो जाती है. And then we go and discuss with our friends कि पता है मेरे हस्बैंड ने ऐसा कर दिया, वैसा कर दिया. तो आप जैसे उनके बारे में बोलते हो, जो डिस्कस करते हो, जो नेगेटिव बात बोलते हो, ऑटोमेटिकली वो वाइब्रेशन उसके पास पहुंच जाती है ना.
Hmm.
और उसके कारण जो है दैट इज द डार्क साइड ऑफ द पिग्मेलियन इफेक्ट व्हिच इज आल्सो गिवन अ नेम एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज गोलम इफेक्ट. द ऑपोजिट टू
Golem.
द पिग्मेलियन इफेक्ट इज गोलम इफेक्ट.
So if
GOLEM.
it's the negative things that you
Negative things that you go
impose
on
on them.
discussing.
Yes.
Yeah. Negative expectations actually from them. वो तो ऐसा ही रहने वाला है. मैथमेटिक्स का एग्जाम है और मेरा बच्चा बिल्कुल भी पढ़कर नहीं गया, उसके तो पासिंग नंबर्स भी आ जाए ना तो बहुत मुश्किल से आएंगे, तो बच्चा फेल हो जाता है आपका.
Hmm.
आप अपने हस्बैंड से बोलते हो कि मैं आज मैंने चाहे कोई भी ड्रेस पहन लू ना, तो मेरे हस्बैंड ने कभी मेरी तारीफ तो करनी ही नहीं होती. ही नेवर अप्रिशिएट्स मी,
Yeah.
टुमारो इज वैलेंटाइन, आई एम श्योर दैट ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू बाय एनी गिफ्ट फॉर मी.
Yeah, this that's a hot topic right now. I think
That
you've
is the
touched
hottest
the
topic.
you've touched the right
And
now.
many of the women are thinking that,
Women are
do not think
already
that. You
already
are,
column effect.
that is the Golam effect. So
Yeah,
convert that.
yeah,
Think in your mind that my husband is definitely going to bring me something this time.
yeah.
Definitely.
Pygmalion effect. Yeah,
Pygmalion effect.
yeah.
So
Bilkul.
always emphasize on what you want,
Hmm.
right? And create Pygmalion effects in your life.
Yes, absolutely. My God. Uh, just I remember this Pygmalion effect. The other day I was talking to my husband. The bees, the
Hmm.
bee, the way they
Honeybees.
select the
Hmm.
queen in the bee when the actual queen dies, and the way they select their queen is technically a Pygmalion effect because they feed the normal larva, the
Mm-hmm.
normal which can become a worker bees. It
Worker
is
also.
fed with royal jelly, and the quarters for them is different, the treatment for them is different, for the queen. And this is what I can see, that oh, they are sculpting the normal larva to become a queen. Normal worker, they are for months, but queen lives for 7 years,
Yes.
so Pygmalion effect, there you go. Thank
That
you
is the
for
Pygmalion effect.
wonderful terminology,
And
loved it.
yeah, and this is what, and it is happening around you all the time. Every
Mm.
time it is happening around you. I do give this example a lot of times to people. So now you remember कि there was a guy who was not actually that intelligent. He sat for the SAT exams in the US. तो उसके मम्मी पापा वगैरह जो है ना, उन लोगों को था कि भाई मेरा बच्चा तो है, इतना अच्छा तो कर ही नहीं सकता, एंड ही ऑल्सो न्यू दैट ही इज नॉट अ गुड स्टूडेंट, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक इट. तो ही डेफिनेटली ही डिड नॉट मेक इट. बट व्हेन द रिजल्ट्स केम, एवरीवन वाज शॉक्ड अबाउट हिम कि ही एक्चुअली क्लियर्ड द एग्जाम. एंड ही
Mm.
डिड नॉट नो. उसके मम्मी पापा ने कहा, लाइक बिकॉज दे वर नॉट बिलीविंग हिम ना, तो उसको फिर भी उनकी मम्मी को ना कहीं मन से था कि मेरा बच्चा कुछ तो कर सकता है, कुछ तो करेगा ये. तो उसको क्या हुआ, उस बच्चे को वहां से पता कि मम्मा मैं तो कुछ लिख कर ही नहीं आता, आई डो नॉट नो कहाँ से मेरे मार्क्स आ गए, मैं कुछ भी नहीं लिख के आया था. आई कुड गेट, अगर 1000 मार्क्स का पेपर है तो आई कुड ओनली गेट 300 400 मार्क्स. मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ से 600 आ गए. बट ही गॉट इन टू दैट. सो आफ्टर क्लियरिंग दिस एग्जाम ही गॉट इन टू MIT. और MIT में जाते ही सौम्या, उसके सारे रिकॉर्ड्स बहुत अच्छे हो गए. एंड दिस इज अ रियल स्टोरी. उसके
Mm.
सारे रिकॉर्ड्स बहुत अच्छे हो गए. वो MIT का टॉपर रहा जितने साल वहां पर रहा. एंड एक्चुअली ही स्टार्टेड हिज ओन बिजनेस एंड ही वाज एक्चुअली डूइंग ग्रेट इन हिज बिजनेस. देन दैट पर्सन, एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था, देयर वाज अ डिस्क्रिपेंसी. डिस्क्रिपेंसी नहीं, कुछ ऐसा गलती हो गई थी. डिस्क्रिपेंसी पूरी तरह से नहीं कह सकते, डिस्क्रिपेंसी इज तो डन ना, इट इज डन, बट इट वाज ह्यूमन एरर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ड्यू टू द ह्यूमन एरर, it was actually miscalculated by someone, the checkers and all. Actually someone else was actually getting promoted, but instead of that person he got promoted. तो ये बात सामने आई. जो वो पर्सन था उसने स्यू भी किया, यूएस गवर्नमेंट में जाकर उसने स्यू किया. देन इट केम आउट दैट ओन पर्सन का नाम नहीं था, वो पास तो वो बंदा हुआ था, ये तो पास हुआ ही नहीं था. तो उसके अपने रिकॉर्ड में कभी भी पास नहीं होता था. पर आप एसएटी में, यहाँ एसएटी क्लियर करने के बाद उसके ऊपर सबकी एक्सपेक्टेशन जो हो गई ना, एंड देन ही थॉट कि आप मुझे करना है, आई हैव दैट थिंग इन मी. सो उसके बाद उसके अंदर वो पिग्मेलियन इफेक्ट होने लग पड़ा. उसका वो इफेक्ट ये हुआ कि उसने अपने सारे के सारे एग्जाम्स आगे जाके टॉप किए. और बाद में जब ये उसने तो वो स्यू कर दिया था ना, तो जब कोर्ट के सामने ये बात आई तो कोर्ट ने भी उसको कुछ भी नहीं कर पाए, क्योंकि ठीक है, ऑल्दो ही वाज नॉट सिलेक्टेड बाय फेयर मींस, बट देन ही हैड दैट कैपेबिलिटी टू क्रैक द फोर्थ कमिंग एग्जाम्स. क्योंकि एसएटी को क्लियर करने का एग्जाम टफ है, तो फिर आगे जाके जब आप कॉलेज में जाते हो वहां पर तो और भी टफ 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 होता जाता है ना.
Absolutely, yeah.
So if he could clear that, then he could easily clear those SAT. Only because of the negative golem effect on him, he actually did not, he was not able to get that confidence that he would be able to do it.
But then that when became a Pygmalion effect, he turned over the new leaf and
So
he
that
next
is how we can always make the Golem effect converted into transformed into the Pygmalion effect,
effect. Makes sense.
right?
Yeah.
So
So
whenever,
now,
if you think, if the for the parents it is, if you think that your child is very lazy, just say, "Wow, my child is very active." You know what? My child is very active. He gets up in the morning. He does all his chores and he studies well. You just go on that. Otherwise, what do mom talk about? What is the general talk about among mom? मेरा बच्चा यार कुछ भी नहीं करता है ना, सुबह तो उठता ही नहीं है, और मतलब उसको तो मैं पालक की सब्जी जो बना लूं ना, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल, तो मेरे बच्चों को बिल्कुल
naughty.
पसंद नहीं है. वेरी कॉमन, नो. करेला मेरे बच्चों को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. Right?
Especially even this, मैं कुछ भी खा लूं तो मोटी हो जाती हूँ. That's the
Yeah,
common, मोटा होता
that's
हूँ,
the
मोटी.
very common thing.
Yeah,
So every time you are doing this, you are expecting this from your body, and your body is reciprocating that
exactly. So Golem effect is in place all the time. So you
all the
gotta
time.
shift to Pygmalion. You have to say things that will work for you. Yeah.
Think what works for you. What do you want to see in your child? What do you want to see in your partner? What do you want to see in your boss, maybe, right? What do you want to see in like us? What do you want to see in our clients? We have to
Yeah.
focus on that, Soumya.
Yeah, absolutely. That is something we will do from right now. We are
Right
not going to
now,
say
we have to
tomorrow,
say,
right
we
now.
have to say that you are healing. Wow, you are doing an excellent
You
job.
are doing excellent job. Yeah,
Yeah, if you could move only one step, then we are here for you and you are doing excellent job. And
exactly.
that emotion, our expectations actually will be caught by their mirror neurons
Mirror neurons. Yep.
and they will behave accordingly.
Absolutely. Bang on, Supriya. Taken all the pointers that you have said. And of course, we are going to do that. And absolutely, I can see myself putting this in effect in so
Yeah.
many personal points of mine. So, absolutely wonderful. So, thank you for breaking down hetero suggestion and giving the rightful names because I think over the period of time, हमने hetero suggestion, like any suggestion, we had just named it as hetero suggestion that is coming from outside towards inside. But giving these specified names, like if it is something that brings out best from others, it's a Pygmalion effect. So when you're suggesting something, because you are seeing something good in them, so I always see people are beautiful. So when I say them that, oh, you're looking so beautiful, one day their mirror neurons is going to pick that and going to cause a Pygmalion effect in them, although
Yeah,
they are in Golem effect or Golem.
definitely.
Yeah.
And one more thing, Soumya, ki you cannot be absolutely opposite also. पिग्मेलियन इफेक्ट का ये है, इट शुड बी लिटिल बिट बिलीवेबल भी होना चाहिए आपका,
Believable. हाँ.
क्योंकि आपका जो ब्रेन है ना, आपका जो एंटायर नर्वस सिस्टम है ना सौम्या, इट लव्स वन थिंग विच यू ऑल्सो लव. टेल मी व्हाट इट इज.
Authenticity.
Authenticity. So,
Oh, that.
this is so important for the Pygmalion effect to work its magic that
हाँ.
you be authentic also. ऐसा नहीं है कि black को आप white कह दोगे.
हम्म.
No? तो
सिल्वर
आप
लाइनिंग ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
या यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट लाइनिंग एंड देन यू हैव टू से, जैसे कि अगर हम लोग बोले कि जैसे सपोज कोई अपने बच्चे को ऐसे बोलता है, उसको पता है कि उसका बच्चा जो है बिल्कुल क्लास में लास्ट आता है, सिंपल सा लास्ट आता है, और आप उसको ऐसे नहीं अफर्म कर सकते कि माय चाइल्ड इज कमिंग फर्स्ट इन द क्लास. नो,
हाँ, वो
माय
नहीं बोल.
चाइल्ड इज गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर एवरी डे.
हाँ.
Right? His capability of grasping the things are improving every day.
Or he's good in sports, so if
He's
he's
good
good
in
in
sports.
sports, he
Yeah.
will be good in studies later on.
Yeah,
Maybe
studies
something.
का तो चलता रहेगा, but he's really very good in sports. So
Yeah.
emphasize on that part
Yeah.
because your nervous system जो है ना, it detects authenticity.
Yes, it does.
It does. So obviously you always have to become aware of your silent expectation, right? पोटेंशियल जो है उनका, उनको हम लोगों को पता है. माइक्रो एनकरेजमेंट हम लोगों को उनको करना है, उनको आई कॉन्टैक्ट बनाकर दैट बेबी यू कैन डू दिस, आई बिलीव दैट यू कैन डू दिस. यू नो व्हाट, जस्ट नाउ आई वेंट टू माय सन्स रूम एंड ही वाज स्लीपिंग. He is preparing for his NEET exams. He is sleeping. In my sense, as a
Golem
mom,
effect.
I would just shake him. उठो, कर क्यों नहीं रहे हो? तुमको नहीं पता तुम्हारे एग्जाम आ गए हैं, 90 दिन भी नहीं बचे तुम्हारे एग्जाम को कर. But I immediately said, "Oh, you're relaxing. It's absolutely good, बेटा. चलो आपको रिलैक्स करना चाहिए. But just get up. चलो, let's have some fruit together."
Hmm.
And I know that, and you know what, Soumya? He said, Mama, I love you so much. आप आते रहा करो मेरे रूम में, पता है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है आप आते हो तो.
Wow.
Automatically the energy was changed. है
Ah.
ना? That golem was changed into Pygmalion.
Pygmalion, and then Pygmalion got reflected back. He affirmed it back to you that
He
I love you,
affirmed
which is what you
it.
want to hear as well, right?
Yeah, he affirmed it. And right now, I just, before the session actually, I went there and it happened with me. So we all can do this to your child, to your partner, for your team, for your clients, for yourself, right?
Yeah,
So you can set that
absolutely.
Pygmalion effect for yourself also. You
Become
are
that
also an individual.
become that sculptor who sees that murti in you so that the murti can come, the idol can come to life,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
awesome.
definitely, definitely. This is so beautiful. I'm sure that anyone who resonates with it is going to apply it for sure. Soumya, what do you think?
Absolutely, absolutely. So let me summarize for
Hmm,
everybody.
please
Is that
do.
okay? Yeah, okay. So we all heard about heterosuggestion. Most of us, whoever come listens to us, they are well aware about the concept called heterosuggestion. Heterosuggestion is
You can break down it to suggestion for them, na? Hmm.
हाँ तो heterosuggestion का ये मीनिंग व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ heterosuggestion is our belief whatever it is that we are saying with conviction whatever we are saying with conviction shaping others belief system that is technically a heterosuggestion, right? So in this heterosuggestion there are two types. One is whatever you say is results in a positive outlook in someone, and some are negative. Like if you see someone and you see they are obese and you go ahead and say, oh, you are fat, that is a negative heterosuggestion. But if you are going to, oh, you have reduced a little, or you are looking better than the last time I saw you, this is
Yeah,
positive heterosuggestion. Okay,
yes.
so now the positive heterosuggestion is actually Pygmalion effect.
And
Uh,
repeatedly आप जब
it,
बोलोगे, it will create a Pygmalion
it
effect.
will create repeatedly upon repeatedly saying this, it will create a positive outlook in that person. So that becomes a Pygmalion effect. Wahi, the repetition of negative outlook will create is called Golem effect. Okay.
Column effect.
So you can say positive impression and negative impression for ease of understanding. So इसमें क्या आता कि when you say something of a positive impression, if I have those positive impression in my mind, my neurons will mirror your neurons and a new pathway will be constructed in my head, making it my new belief system. So this way
Definitely.
you are spreading happiness in the world, more like. And it was taken from Greek mythology, 1965, by one of the sculptor who was carving a sculpture, and he fell in love with it. He fell so much in love with it that he brought her into life. Means the creation created her for him like that. And scientists took this concept up and implemented in a classroom setup where they picked 5 students and feeded to both students and teacher that these are brilliant students. So as a result of it, both teachers and student worked together to make actually the students brilliant, which were technically not a brilliant students by default.
They
So
were
this
just average and below average. Hmm.
because of the constant appreciation and the belief given rendered by the teacher, no, you can do it, this is something that you can solve, or this is something you can excel, the students started buying that and they actually excelled in life. So because the appreciation and motivation, these are all dopamine starters, they load yourself with dopamine, and dopamine is the best reward system, you know. And the one of the best things about our brain is that it loves authenticity, so it always rewards authenticity. So you have to form your Pygmalion causing effect in such a way that your brain believes in it.
Hmm. Should
We
not be
can't
white
be dead
lie.
opposite.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes. And
Hmm.
I loved absolutely micro encouragement that you
Micro
should keep
encouragement.
doing to bring Pygmalion effect into place. Okay, so I think that's that, Supriya, for today. That
Yeah,
was
that
so
is, yeah, please
wonderful.
stay with this Pygmalion effect for this today. And we all have to create that. So if this episode resonated with you so well, please, please, please share it with the people you love. Everyone needs to hear this because एग्जाम आ रहे हैं लोगों, और कल वैलेंटाइंस आ रहा है भाई, तो हम लोगों को पिगमेलियन इफेक्ट क्रिएट करना है, राइट? सो डू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद पीपल whom you love, and if you want to consciously rewire your expectations and elevate your energy, join our brain to body revolution. Here we are creating pygmalion effect every day. We encourage our clients, we love our clients to actually, go forward in life, and we have excellent, these effects. We give them challenges, we do the challenges together, and every day we are meeting, and you are actually giving yourself a beautiful association if you are here at Brain to Body Revolution. So do not forget to see our Instagram channel also. There you can see all the activities that we do, and please subscribe to the channel, come to our stand and like us, and you can please comment us also about the next moment, next thing that you want to know from us. Yes, Samya?
Thank you, everyone. Have a great, fantastic time. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Not tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be actually, we will be not doing a podcast tomorrow, but
Yo,
definitely
yeah. Yeah,
we will
soon,
be
soon.
we'll be leaving you with beautiful 5 episodes from the life, from A Piece of Life, and you can Saturday and Sunday you can just go on with those videos and you can learn something from them and share your things with us. Thank you so much. Have a
Bye.
great weekend, guys. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much.